In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online. This is a fantastic feature that can save you loads of time by automating the repetitive transactions that are a regular part of managing your finances. Whether it's a monthly invoice, a regular expense, or any other type of transaction, setting it up as recurring can make your bookkeeping more efficient and accurate. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to log in to QuickBooks Online. For this, simply open your web browser and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, sign in as you normally do to access your account. Now that you're in, let's move on to setting up your recurring transaction. Look over to the left side of your screen and you should see a menu. Click on the plus new button from this menu. This will bring up a list of different options you can choose from. Under this menu, look for recurring transaction. You can find it under the other section. Alternatively, you can also access it by going to settings and then selecting recurring transactions. Either way, you'll be in the right place to start creating your new template. Next, it's time to create a new template. Click on new and then choose the type of transaction you want to automate. Your options will include invoice, expense, bill, check, or even a sales receipt. Select whichever one suits your needs. Once you've selected your transaction type, you'll need to fill in several important details. Start by specifying who this transaction is for, whether it's a customer or vendor. Then indicate the account that this transaction is related to. Don't forget to fill in the amount and decide how often this transaction should recur. You can set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or whichever frequency meets your requirements. Moving on, let's set up the schedule and give your transaction a name. Begin by entering a start date, which is simply the day you want QuickBooks to begin processing this transaction automatically. If you wish, you can also set an optional end date to specify when the transaction should stop recurring. Along with these dates, you'll need to name your template. Choosing a clear and descriptive name will make it easier to identify later on. If you prefer that QuickBooks processes this transaction automatically without needing to check in every time, be sure to select the automatically send option. Finally, once all the details have been entered correctly, click Save Template. And there you have it. QuickBooks will now automatically create this transaction based on the schedule you've set. It's that simple. By investing a few moments now to set up recurring transactions, you free up more time for yourself in the future to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made your bookkeeping tasks just a little bit easier.